Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're putting a walnut on the mill. If you follow my channel, I don't mill too many walnuts, so this is a fun day. So it's 19 by 16, something funky. I think I might have to cut off one of these knots, possibly. It's 8 foot 6 inches long, and the butt is the little flare is 22 inches. So we'll get the centers centered up, and we're going to make some live edge, I think. Yes, I think that's what the plan was. This is going to be for some live edge. So let's get this going here in a minute. But before I do, I'm going to ask you guys something to help me out here. My niece is coming out to help us, and she's a special young lady to us. She's been on my videos, but one of my videos before. She did a great job. She's going to help swamp today, and help me out with her. Give her a shout out, and tell her what a great job she's doing. She's a great young lady, and we got her for, I think, maybe the week. Okay. I'm going to try it. I'm going to turn this. I think I'm going to get better figure with it 90 degrees. Put this on 8, because this is going to have to come over. Shit. That was close. I wonder if I can. Oh, wow. There's no way I'm going to be able to turn this by hand. Plus the bark, I can't get into it. Let's see here. Oh, maybe. It wants to be that way. Let's see what it wants to be. Right on. Maybe right there. All right, that's better. We'll have a little figure in it then. Yeah. We'll measure these centers. Let's do that right now. We're at 9.5 on that one. 9.5. Come on, be close. Oh. 9.25. We'll take that. If you watched last week's video, you saw that mantle we cut? Boy, did the boys do a great job installing that. Let me show you some pictures right here. We estimated that barn beam to be well over 200 years for that mantle, so that's really neat that they were able to recycle that and reclaim it, but it did cost us a blade. I had my boy count. I think we've counted over 50 nails in it. I have a guy showing up for some lumber here in just a little bit. Heard the dogs barking. Guess it's not them. I'm going to get this fired up. The girls are on the way out with the grandkids. My niece and my wife will be here in just a second. Got a couple of knots right here, and I got a big whoop-de-doo, and I heard that thing bogging down. So it cut flat, and then it lifted here. So I'm going to put a new blade on it real quick. We'll make stickers out of it. Let's see how this is looking.
All the wood's coming over here in this Uncle Joe's house.
Oh, that looks nice.
That looks really nice.
We got some juvenile wood, but we're only an inch deep, so we'll use that board right there for stickers on this.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is flip this log here all the way over, and that will allow me to take them off in order and leave them in order. At least the way I see it. I have all the help one man could ever want. Hi, crew.
I think the noise scared him a little bit. Did not want me to come down.
In this clip, I'm showing how tight this log is. It's a very tight fit getting it through the mill here. We have 22 inches on the Frontier OS27 that we can cut. I can take the blade guides off, and I've done that before, and it gives us another 1.5 inches or so. But this is maxing it right out. As you watch this, it just barely passes. All right, we're almost done, Nicole. We only have one more cut after this one to make. Man. Let's see where this one broke, right? Weld on this one's right there. It wasn't at the weld. Another one bites the dust. Next week, I'll be ordering new blades. This is Friday. Open this up. Nice looking lumber though. Holy smokes.
What kind is this again? Honey?
Walnut.
Yeah, I should have known for the dark. Down there. It's pretty strong.
That'll do it, guys. We ended up with 8.5-inch slabs. The wood turned out pretty good. I showed it to you, but we broke another ripper 37. Out of my original box of 20 I bought last year, I'm down to 2 blades left, and the most I've ever got out of one is 2 sharpens. Now, both of those are dulled now, and they're both on the second sharpen, so I'm going to get one more sharpen out of them, and I suspect they'll be breaking real soon too. The one broke today, not in the weld, in the gullet, but I do clean out the gullet. However, with that being said, these turned out nice. My help was great. Nicole, what'd you think?
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
What did you like the best?
What do you mean?
Oh, say it louder.
Cleaning the boards?
Yeah.
Were they heavy for you?
Yeah.
They were pretty heavy, weren't they?
Yeah.
And so my niece came out. That second time she's been out at the mill, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you were featured in a video before. So, hey, guys, leave a comment. Tell Nicole how good she did, if you don't mind. That'd be awesome. And don't forget that my wife did pretty well, too. Me, on the other hand, I'm still breaking blades. I'm still learning. Maybe I should give the controls back to Jill. All right.
Heavy wood.
It's heavy wood, but it turned out good. We do have some stickers to make, but I'm done for the day. And I'll get these stickered, put in the kiln. All right, guys, that'll do it. We'll see you out at the mill next time. Take care.
Have a good one.